guys, thank you so much for tuning in to this video. As you can see, this is another deep conditioner video, and you guys seem to like these videos, so give me a thumbs up if you want to see more deep conditioning videos. So this is my first time trying this deep conditioner, and here's a little sneak peek for you guys. So that's all I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go ahead and jump right into the video. If you're not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and click the subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of these videos. And to all my supporters, all my subscribers, thank you so much for always clicking in, tuning in, commenting, and supporting your girl. So I'll see you guys later. Okay guys, so the deep conditioner that I am using today is the Cashmere and Caviar collection by Curls Professional, and this is the Cashmere and Caviar hair mask, and this is what it looks like here. It comes in this really cute like black and gold packaging, which I am in love with this package from this line. And as you guys can already see, I have it in my hair. I am going to apply it to this section and show you guys how it works for me. And I'm gonna open it real quick and let you guys see the product. So it's a really nice creamy thick consistency, and I will scoop some out here so you can see. It's very creamy, very smooth, very luxurious for the hair. Like y'all see how creamy, like that is really creamy and smooth. So I really do like that about the product. Another thing that I'm liking about this deep conditioner is that it smells really good. It has like this soft, almost powdery kind of smell to it. Well, at least that's what it smells like to me. It's like a soft, powdery type scent. And yeah, so I'm super in love with the way that it smells. Just to give you guys a little background, I did wash my hair with the Camille Rose Natural Sweet Ginger Cleansing Rinse. You guys know I've been on this for a while, and yeah, so that's what I used to wash my hair with. And I just sectioned my hair off and already started, so I can kind of get a feel to know how the product was working, so I can talk to you guys. But as I tell you about the product and how I like it, I'm gonna go ahead and start and finish this section for you guys. So there's nothing on my hair, it's just wet from when I washed it. And one trick that I can tell you guys, if you're having an issue with like detangling after you wash your hair, get you a water bottle and use like really warm water and spray it in your hair. This will kind of help when you're putting your deep conditioners or your conditioners in your hair to kind of melt the conditioner into your hair and actually get it into your strands. So that's something that I've been doing that works for me. Alright, so I'm just going to go ahead and dig into this product here, and I've done my whole head, and you guys, this is really all I've used. I haven't used that much at all, so a little goes a long way. So this is about how much I put on of the big section. So I start off with my ends and I come up the hair, and it does have slip, so I do like that. The conditioner, and then I'm just gonna put just a little bit more. I just love how creamy the texture is. Another thing that I'm noticing about this deep conditioner is that it doesn't just sit on top of my hair. And again, this can also be because of the warm water that I use on my hair before I apply the deep conditioner. So the deep conditioner actually penetrates into my strands so that it can get the best results possible. And I am going to make one smaller section, use about that much, and go in some more. So the deep conditioner was the only product that I picked up from this line, and to be honest, I'm not sure if I was really interested in the rest of them. I guess I could be. I haven't really, I don't know, I just really like deep conditioner, so I was like, well, let me try the deep conditioner. If I really love the deep conditioner, then I may check out the rest of the line. I will say that as I'm applying this conditioner to my hair, this deep conditioner, I can feel like the moisture in my hair, so that's a good sign too. Sometimes with the deep conditioner, you can kind of tell if your hair is going to be dry or moisturized just by how your hair is acting with the deep conditioner when you're applying it. So it does feel like it's going to be very moisturized and hydrated by the time it finishes. And then I always like to go in and put extra on my ends. As always, I am going to twist this section up here all the way down to the bottom. And y'all know the deal. I'm about to throw this plastic cap on my head. So I am going to let this sit on my hair for 30 minutes, and then after that I'll come back to you guys and show you guys the final results, okay? Stay tuned. Okay y'all, I'm back fresh out of the shower, and this is what my hair is looking like. It's actually really soft. It smells really good too, so it does have like a really soft, like I said, it smells kind of powdery, like a soft powder scent to me. It does linger in the hair, but it's not like, it's not overpowering to me. But this is what my hair looks like. My hair feels really good actually. Yeah guys, this is it. So I didn't have to use a whole lot of it. I did like that. Like I still pretty much have the whole bottle left, the whole jar left of the deep conditioner, and I didn't have to use a lot, so a little went a long way. It did have slip. It was very thick and creamy. I was able to detangle very well with it. As you can see, my hair is really nice and it's soft, and it did the job. So I actually am liking this Cashmere and Caviar collection by Curls. I have not tried any other product from the line. It's kind of making me interested now to see how the rest of it would work on my hair, because to be honest, I was like, I don't think that line is gonna work well for my hair, but this deep conditioner has clearly proven me wrong. And yeah, I really like it. Y'all see I can't stop touching it. Like, it's super soft and it smells so good. So yes, I would definitely recommend this if you haven't tried it, to definitely give it a try to see how it will work for you. And that's about it, you guys. If you have any additional questions, or if it's something I didn't cover you would like to know about the product, just leave me a comment in the comments box. And y'all know I can't stop touching my hair. It feels so super good. So yeah, I'm really digging this deep conditioner, and I'm gonna show you guys again. It looks like this with the bomb packaging in the black and gold. So yeah guys, that's the end of this little demo here for this deep conditioner. If you guys like these deep conditioning videos, these product reviews, definitely give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.